Okay, so Sandy has the garden now fully planted. We have tomatoes planted between the lettuce. The lettuce is done. Tomatoes will take over those spots. She has cabbage in here. She has broccoli in here. Some kale that I planted. More tomatoes. Broccoli. I'm sure I'm missing some. I think she has some spinach in here. Didn't put any peppers in yet, but she has them. Here in the wire, she has tomatoes, probably cherry tomatoes. It'll grow up the wire. She'll put cucumbers in this area here, I'm thinking. So we're pretty much filled up. Ready to roll. Now I gotta get that walk-in cooler done so we have somewhere to put all this stuff.